remain happy ever after, happy ever after. Thank you all.